TV, I'm back with another video. Today, we are going to be playing Never Have I Ever Part 2 with none other than Caillou.
Ew, boogers!
Caillou, stop picking your nose, you're live.
Huh? Oh, hi, everyone!
Carl Wheezer. Carl? Carl.
I'm awake!
And SpongeBob.
Hey, everybody!
Thank you for being ready, SpongeBob.
Oh, Vincent, I'm always ready!
Alright, so we got 5 Never Have I Ever questions. If you raise your paper and it says have, you have to explain your side of the story. Got it?
Got it!
This is going to be fun.
First one.